Okay. Hello. So I wanted to do something I saw um on my YouTube like a week ago. I forget the name of the guy, but he was doing a programming every day until he got a job. And I thought it was a really cool idea to kind of, I don't know, publicly post yourself doing work for a few hours, so and like trying to keep that streak. So that's what I wanted to do, and also I can go back and look at my progress over time. Um, but the idea of this is for, I don't know, anywhere between an hour and like 5 hours. I'll just sit down and program. Some days I might actually do like study for other classes, like math classes. Like this semester, I have uh, a discrete math class that I have a final in 2 weeks. So I'll probably do some days of just working on that. But um, but yeah, a few hours every day I want to post um, of me doing something technical. And yeah, also I've been reading this book called Deep Work by Cal Newport, which basically talks about the importance of deep work, which is undistracted, silent, just focusing on one task for multiple hours on end. Um, so like no phone, no music, no uh, web surfing, no anything except for just like an IDE or a math notebook or something like that. So that's the idea with these is that I'll have no music going. I won't be like, I'll probably even just be using ChatGPT for questions I have. I won't even just be jumping around to websites. Um, so yeah, um, I guess a little info on me and also why I'm doing this. I am a junior at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, studying computer science. This past summer, I actually did an internship doing research for the University of Houston, um, and that was vulnerability detection using large language models. That was a good experience. But for next summer, I really want an actual tech company internship. Um, and I mean, so far I haven't got any interviews, which is weird because I got quite a few last year at this point. I have more experience this year. So when the opportunity does, arise and I do get an interview, I want to be as technically ready for it as possible. So yeah. Um, and then I just want to plan out kind of what I'm doing for each session here. So today I want to talk about why I'm doing this and then do just 1 to 2 leak codes today. And then maybe at the end I'll reflect on today and see if there's something I want to do differently or not. So yeah, just get into it, I guess. So I was looking at this problem earlier actually, because uh, I'm going in order on this NeetCode website, and so right now I'm going through linked lists, and I looked at this earlier because I kind of didn't understand um, the whole, like, why I couldn't just return the same list. It's because you needed a copy of the list. So reading through it, it's a copy of the linked list where you need to return the same length, and each node has a value, its next node, and then a random pointer to a different node. And so you just have to copy this list. Um, what that was all about, all I looked into was actually what it was asking. So, um, so I was thinking about it a little bit beforehand because I haven't worked with linked lists in a while, and so I didn't want to look completely stupid. Um, but so I was thinking, like the idea here is right. Um, Also, I'll be drawing a lot, but my idea here is that so we have each node which has obviously its value, whatever that is, and a pointer to, node, the third node. Um, and then that will point to the next node, which I don't know, could be 2 pointing to 5, on and on. And so the idea here is to copy that. But obviously with a linked list, if this is pointing to the, you know, third node, right? So, I mean, if I do make a third node, um, if I make a third node pointing to, I don't know, 3, uh, then when I'm going through, so the idea was, oh, I can just do a loop and I just take every value and I just make a new, linked list with each value. But if this is pointing to here, right? When we're going through and we're creating this, we can't reference this, right? Because we never made it. We can't reference a point in a linked list without having created that point in the linked list. So if I go to make this new node, I can't have a pointer to this without having created that yet. So the idea is to make a linked list of, size n and just put its initial values in that. And then afterwards, we can put in the pointer to the other ones. So that's the idea here. Um, so, I mean, well, I need something to store. Um, I need something to actually store the copy of each node into, right? So, but I also still need the original. I can't rewrite overhead. So, um, could use a hash map, right? Have the original value and the copied value. Um, um, hash for old. So we'll make a hash map. And then obviously we want a current equals head. And then just loop through while current still isn't null, right? Current is just equal to our head linked list. And while we are still at a value, we want to just make a new node, right? And add it to our hash map. So we'll have a copy node equal to um, what? A new node with the current value. And then once we have that, we just want to add it. So what do we want this key to be? I think we just want the current. Is it cur.val or just current? I'll just do current for now. And so it'll be equal to our copy node. And then we just want to move forward in our linked list. So just move to the next. So now that we have that, right? This should just be how do I want to like check actually the value. How do you do it? So like if I wanted to print hash for old that's can I do this? This is definitely gonna give me an error, isn't it? Yeah. I don't think so. I just want to make sure this is populating how I want it to. I mean, okay, I guess we can do what? A 4-key value in hash for old dot values. I think this is the syntax, right? Um, value equals value dot val key equals key dot val print key right? Let me just run this actually. Is it not this? Okay. Um, how do I print off the key value pairs in a dictionary of nodes in Python? Um, Key value in dot items dot items. Uh, nope. Okay. Also, because I'm pretty sure this is going to print off like the actual node, right? Or can I just do that? Yeah. Um, can I always forget Python syntax, so like if I can just do this. Can. Love Python. Okay, so this is, I just have a copy of the original. So this should be the original node, the copy of the node, right? So the idea is that we just do the exact same thing, right? Where we make currents now equal to head again, and then while cur, we want to again make a copy, but do we want to make another copy of the current dot value? I think so, right? It should just be the exact same thing. Uh, isn't Is it this or would I do the hash for old val? I don't know. We'll just try this for now. So the idea is now that we have. Oh, wait. Let me think of this. This can't be right. It has to be that I'm changing the hash for old, right? Well, no. Oh, wait. No. This is right. This is right. I mean, at least I think. But I think it should be I can do this. And then I say, okay, the copy dot next. This is going to be equal to our hash for old uh is it current val? And then our copy dot random equals this would be hash for old though. Um alright, I'll just do this because I know I want to just do this again. For dot next. Dot next, it's not a function. I was trying to, so I'm making another copy, and I'm making a copy again of the current node. Because what I want to do is I want to change the hash for old random in next, right? I don't. I'm just trying to think which node I'm trying to change here, or which side of the dictionary. Because if I'm changing this node's dot next, right, equal to hash for old current dot value. No, 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 no. I want it to be the copy dot next is equal to hash for old cur dot random, right? Oh. None. I'm gonna ask Chat GPT because I think this is just a syntax error. Don't solve the problem, but why am I getting? Okay, oh, trying to access a key. Oh yeah. Well, isn't okay. Well, cur.random want to be a key, right? I don't think that's right. I'm checking for the cur.random key, but that wouldn't make sense. I'd want to be looking for. What would I want to be looking for here? Copy to that next should just be equal to. I mean, I would assume it'd be current.next, but this isn't the right. It just has to not be a right syntax. Find the next value. Copy.next equals blah blah blah. So it is a none value thing, right? If you think about it, when I'm looking at the copy.next for hash for old, the current.next, because there is no current. Is there no current.next? Oh, just end of okay. Okay. Um So what? Do this if there's a cur dot next. Was just else none. If cur dot random else none. Well, I mean, I can just return now, right? I can return our, what would it be? Our hash for old head. Oh, I only copied the first one. Oh, you know what? I think this is problematic because I'm just setting it to none every time. So I'd want an entry already in here, right? Um, I do not know if this. No. While cur, our copy is equal to the current value, then we set our copies next and random to cur.next and cur.random. Then we just go forward. Actually, would this be the hash for old? Not that. I wonder. I just want to click on that solution so bad because I mean the logic here is completely fine, right? It's just how I'm handling this copying is wrong. Maybe it's I don't make a new node, right? Copy is just equal to cur.val. Okay, that's an int. I know there's definitely a double pass solution. I just like I want to like glimpse at it so badly. Why would I be making another copy node? Well, I'm making another node. because I want to attach these values, right? I'm looking for one quick second. Oh, I knew I had to reference this, bro. Hash for, whoa, I forgot this. Which is what I had, but I had a current dot value. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. So I had this earlier, but I had the current dot value. Um, which I just never. Did I have that earlier? Yeah, I did, right? Wait, I can actually just. Yeah. Okay. I definitely had it. Okay. Nice. Oh my God. Linked lists in a dictionary. Not fun. Okay. Cool. On to the next. Uh, add two numbers. You were given two non-empty linked lists, L1 and L2, where each represents a non-negative integer. Well, that's fun. Wait, what is this? Am I tripping? What is this? Oh, whoa. Wait, that's sick. I see, I see. I thought it was like adding the first digit and the first digit, and but that also works now. So it could do this where you do all three at a time, and then you get the whole thing, or it could go like digit by digit, right? What time complexity does it want? Should aim for O of m plus n. So I should only ever go through both of these once. Okay. And then I return a new linked list. Okay, okay. Well, I don't have to do optimal first. So I guess let's think about this one. So, I mean, I can write this as a. So, one, two, three. There was one other thing it kind of said. No, not really. Add these up or add this number and this number. Because, oh my God. So my idea was is you just look at the first node of each, and then what do these add to? This adds to 5. You look at these. What do these add to? These add to 7. Look at these. What do these add to? They add to 9. And then, I mean, this is reversed from what we want, but that is what we want. Um, that is reversed of what we want, right? No, it's not. That just has to be what you do. But but what would the logic be here of being able to? Can you add 2 nodes? How would I represent this? Like if I did L1 dot val. Actually, let me just print this. Let's see. Okay. So can I do? I have no idea if this is valid. Um, L1 dot val plus L2 dot val. Okay, is this not just easy then? Is this literally not just? I mean, I'm gonna have to change some stuff, but I mean, while now can they be different lengths? No, I think they're the same length. I'm gonna assume they're the same length. So while L1, um, but can I not just do like a current equals head and then I just say, okay, okay, not head, but L1. Wait, wait. Current L1, current. This could just be stupid on what I'm doing, but I guess the idea here that's just going in my head is I have a reference to both lists. I add the first values together and I just pick one of the lists and I just make that value equal to that value, and then I just move both references, and then I just keep going through, right? I mean, I mean, if we do, wait, okay, so we do sum is equal to the current L1 dot val plus the current L2 dot val, right? Why does that have a keyword to it? I'll call it result then, right? Then after I get the sum of both nodes, um, I mean, the idea was just like we're just setting. I guess I could do cur L1 is equal to result, and then I do a cur L1 equals cur L1 dot next, and cur L2 equals cur L2 dot next, and I just keep going through, and then I return this. Doubt it works, but int object. Oh, it equals a node of results, right? Or a list node of result, right? None type. All right, let me print off 1 and 4, right? How's that a none type? I'm actually I don't get how. Yeah, I don't know why. Unless I'm just for some reason my Vim stuff I can't like copy like yank. Oh, dot val. That's what I wanted. Okay, it does not like that. I mean, okay. I mean, it would be I could just do a cur equals or no, I literally could just do L1 dot val, L2 dot val, result equals this, and then whatever. And then result would just be appended to a new linked list, right? Um, I'll be honest. I kind of am blanking on how you make a linked list. Wait, no. I know what to do. Um, I do an if statement, right? Right? I do an if statement that says if I just want to on this for I want to initialize a whatever. Like I low key want to do like get result and then be like, okay, if this is so brute force, it's ugly, but I just wanted to see if Actually, can I just do equals none? And then I can do return list equals list node result. See, there's a problem with this, I'm pretty sure. I'll keep doing this, but I think there's a problem with Jesus. Oh, do I actually have? Oh my God, I'm in Python, bro. Interesting. Is it the same thing? Is that I'd have to do um first node is equal to a no. Uh, so many syntax issues. Um, oh my God, we went through. Oh my God. So many syntax issues though. Is this actually, I don't understand why 7 wouldn't be here. Oh, is it because I'm not going next on return list? Yeah, it's because I'm not going next on the return list. But if I do return list equals return list dot next, I lose that first node, which is usually why you make like a reference to return list, right? You do like, but this wouldn't work. This wouldn't work because that's only when you have the fully fleshed out list. All I have to do is I have to, what's this whole dummy node thing? I know this is important. So this is just a list node. Current equals dummy. So pointer to track the end of a new list. For each value and values, oh, you pass through values. New node is equal to list node with that value. Current.next is that new node. And then current goes to that, and then you just return the dummy. Oh, is that how that works? So ideally I can say this equals a list node, right? And then so then I can do this. And then I say, and then actually, I don't think I need any of this then. Oh, I'm pretty sure I can just say, okay, um, new node is equal to a list node with this result. And then current is going to equal current.next is going to be equal to this new node. And then I move forward both those lists and I also move forward current, right? I say, wait, no. Wait. Yeah, current equals new node. Okay, so it's adding a 0 at the beginning, which I don't want. Does this have a... Oh, dot next. Oh, wait, that's actually kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Uh, that is true. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, this whole approach is just flawed because I didn't think about overflow. Yikes. Yikes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's not good. Because I mean, okay, I mean, I think the general logic could be fine here because the only thing now is that instead of just adding everything, um, I mean, there's a very brute force way here, right? Is where instead of adding this new node with the pluses, um, I go through and I just like do like a sum of L1 is equal to this node value plus whatever sum is, right? And I go through, and then afterwards, I take both the sums for both of them, um, I add them together, and then uh, I add the first number, the second number, and then the third number into a new linked list. But I'm assuming the time complexity, yeah, it wants O of m plus n. This would be O of m plus n times n. No, I think this would be O of n plus n, right? Um, which I mean, I don't mind that time complexity. So the idea here would be instead of what I'm doing right now, which is adding these, is that I can, um, okay, so we're gonna have a sum L1 equal to 0 and a sum L2 equal to 0. And then while L1, I can, whoa, no, while L1, I can just say, okay, um, L1 dot val, or sum L1 plus equal uh, L1 dot val, right? And then sum L2 plus equal L2 dot val, right? Wait, no, this is just not how this works at all. Wait, it's not how this works. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. How would you do this? 321 was like a reverse the linked list. Reverse the linked list and then turn the linked list into an integer and then turn the integer, add the integers, and then turn that in. There's no way. That's not O of n plus m time. I'm missing something. Um, I'm gonna take a peek at the solution. Recursion, iteration. So we have the dummy and current equals dummy. V1 equals the value. Oh, maybe I wasn't this far away. There was just a carry. Okay. So there's a carry aspect to this. Trying to think though. I did this. I did the same thing he did here, but then he has a carry. Wait. Let me just think about this logically then. So in a situation where we have like 10 and 7, right? If I do this, right? 5. Beautiful. I do this. This is 12. Actually, let me use the example that I failed on, which was 9 and 9. I'll just use that. 9 and 9, right? It produced 18. No, I don't want that though. I want um so there should be 99 plus 79, 178. Oh no 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 no. I don't put that in there, do I? Wait. Oh, because it was here. Okay. So how can I turn this into 178 this way? So I had 9 and 9 and 9 and 7, right? And so I add this together, we get 18. So how would a carry work? What do I want that digit to be? I want that first digit to be the 8, right? So what? I carry the 10. Carry the 10. 9 and 7 would be 16. Now, I need a 7 there. Ugh. I might have to watch this video. I don't know how you do this carry thing he's talking about. Okay, let's just look at the solution. New digit. So the value is these two values plus the carry. Okay. Whatever the value comes up to, you do a floor of 10. So in that first case, right, the floor of 10 would be 8. Yeah. And then after that, you do a modulo of 10. After that, you do a modulus 10. Wait. So you're saying my carry is equal to a base 10. Wait. Let's redo this. So we have 18 is the value. This is our value. Correct. Let me add this to the side. So our value is 18. here, right? It's this plus a carry, which the carry is nothing at this point. And then we say the carry is equal to this value base 10. So I'm assuming this is 8, right? So now this value is going to be this modulus 10. So this is now 8. So our first node is 8. And our carry is 8. So the current on next is going to be equal to this. So now we have 8 going on. Current on next, that on next. Okay, our carry is 8. So next time we loop through, right? Our value is equal to 16 plus 8. So 24. This is our value here. Then our carry equals 4. And our new value, wait, our new value is 4? I had to mess something up there. It's a 7 in the next one we want, right? Oh, it's them here. Let's send this back. Do this one more time. So this plus this is 18. Correct? This is our initial value. Our carry is whatever this value is, base 10, which should be 8. Are these not the same exact thing? I have to be doing this part wrong. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, wait, wait. 18 slash 10 equals 1. How? Was that not equal 2? The floor division, right? That's how floor. Oh my God. Okay. I see. I see. I see. I see. I see. That changes a lot.
Hey everyone, welcome.
Whoa. Okay. Oh, I just skipped to a different. Okay. So, so this means that the carry is going to be equal to, um, well, I just set it 1, and the value equals 8, right? So then we go to our next one, and so the first node will be 8, because that's our new value. So the carry is 1. So when I add this and this, it's 17, right? This is our value, equals 17. Our carry is going to equal 1 again. That's so cool. So anything that's not flat is just going to go down to the... That's sick. Okay. And then our value is going to be equal to 7, which makes this 7. And then because we still have a value, val is going to be equal to the carry, which is 1. The carry is going to be equal to 0. And the val equals 1, making that 871. Wow. That's sick. That's sick. Okay. Yeah. So everything was fine except we have a carry that is equal to 0. Um, the only thing about this is we want to do, um, I want to hold the values. So, well, actually, this was a while L1 or, oh, it's literally on the side of my screen, or L2. I don't want it on the side of my screen, or carry. Or carry. So as long as any of these are a value, right? Then I want this to be equal to, or not val, if none else. No, 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 no. If not none else 0. Right? And then I want to do um, value is equal to v1 plus v2 plus whatever the carry is. The carry is going to be equal to whatever the value is, floor 10. And the new val is going to be equal to, was it just val mod 10? Right? And then new node is going to be whatever the new value is. And current.next. Um, what did I do wrong here? God, L1, L2. Oh, wait, current.next equals list node.val. Node.val. this next, this next. Whoa. Hey, why did I have it like that? Why did I have current equals new node? Oh, because of what I was doing before I did that. Okay, okay, okay. So weird. This equals on the next unless. What if I just do this? This should run fine. Is this really the cause of this problem? Okay, sick. Why would that be? Why can't we just send it to next? I guess because if it's none. Okay, makes sense. That floor operation's kind of sick. I won't lie. Um, using yeah, nice, 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 nice. I'll do one more. Why not? Linked list cycle. Given the beginning of a linked list head, return true. There's a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. There's a cycle in the linked list of at least one node in the list. Can you visit it again? Wait. Index determines the index at the beginning of the cycle. It exists. Oh, the dot next. Wait. I mean, I'm given no index value, right? Um, index determined the index at the beginning of the cycle, right? If it exists, the tail node of the list will set its next pointer to the index node. If index. So what? I just go through the whole list and then check the dot, and then I just check the dot next value of the last node. And if the dot next value is greater than or equal to 0, I just return true. Is that not it? Um, is it null or none? Let me just try this for now. The idea is actually, does this even work? I don't think so. Actually, wait, let me just see if I don't think so. Oh wait. I just how do I know I'm oh the only thing I want to check is if like if I'm at the last node, right? How would I check if I'm at the last node? Because I thought it would just be if the actually, you know what I could do? Because it's a linked list, I could just say if current dot value is less than no. If current dot next is less than the current dot value, right? Then I can check if um right. So if I'm on the last node, if I'm on this fourth one, and the next one is just, you know, is the lower value, it means we're at, right? And then I can just say, okay, if current dot next, not if current dot next. Current dot next dot val. Okay, I just want to know if is none, right? Just if current dot next, isn't it is none? Now the only thing now is if I say why is this a time limit exceeded? I don't I'm saying while there's something in current. Oh, okay. Then I don't need any of this. Right, I shouldn't say any of this. But like if I'm doing this and there's a time and it's just looping, right? There has to be a way you can check that it's looping. So it's just that it keeps going in this loop. How can I detect that loop? I'm gonna look this thing up. Oh, that's actually really sick. So to have two pointers, right? Where one will be dot next and one will be dot next, right? And then if they ever equal each other, can you do comparison on nodes? Oh, sick. So the whole idea is to just say, so if there's ever this, return false, right? We want to keep looping and going through, but then we just want something that is going dot next and one that's going dot next, and then ever seeing like if point one, I mean, what did they do? Yeah, if point one is point two, then return true. And we should always reach a condition, so I don't need that. Should always reach a condition. Um, but what would point one equal? Point one would equal head. Oh, see, that's the only problem though, is if I try to access something that's null. So I'll have to do a um I can just do that, right? Um this is the only problem is if we skip. Now, is there ever a point where, like, can I see the test case for this? So, like, here, I would have to say, like, I mean, I could just have two conditions. If point one dot x on x is none, point two is equal to head, then point two, what? Oh, how could that ever be? Wait, what? You know what? Let's just look. How is mine not just that? I mean, the only difference here is, oh, that's pretty good. But this isn't fast. This is point two. Or no. I mean, is it really just all positioning here? Is this not the exact same thing? While fast and fast dot next. Slow equals slow next. Oh my God. So you got me. You got me. That's why it was doing all that. Oh my God. Okay. I mean, such a simple concept. I mean, I guess that was kind of cool. The whole um uh cool. Okay. I think that's about it for today. A little over an hour and a half. Um, I have some stuff I need to get done this morning, so I do need to work on my school project. So I will, I might even do another session today. I don't know if I'll record it or not, but yeah. So I will see you tomorrow for another session. Bye.